Hi, I'm Terrell Kennett. I'm one of the acupuncturists at Integrative Health. And today I'm here to check in with you. Hope you're doing well. And I know there's a lot going on. One important thing in Chinese medicine is food as medicine to help keep your immune system as vital as you can and keep you as healthy as you can. You see, I'm holding here some fresh ginger. I'm going to go over a little tutorial for making a really healthy, refreshing drink called lemon ginger brew. So you'll need just 4 simple ingredients. It's nothing very involved. First, start with a hand of ginger, not the powdered ginger. You do want a fresh hand of ginger. Peel it and chop it, and you want 8 ounces of this. So weigh it out for 8 ounces. Stick it in your food processor or grate it, whichever you prefer. And then you will get fresh lemons, and you want to squeeze a half cup of fresh lemon juice. And then a 1/3 cup of agave syrup or maple syrup, whichever you prefer. You're going to get your saucepan, fill it with 6 cups of water, and put the ginger in, only the ginger at this point. Let it boil for 30 to 40 minutes. You want to reduce that 6 cups down to 3 cups. 6 down to 3. And then you will add in your agave and add in your lemon juice and let it cool. And you can taste it. If you want a little more lemon, a little more agave, go ahead and adjust it to your taste. You can drink this either cold or hot, and you want to store it in the fridge though. It'll last in your fridge for 2 weeks. So I hope you do enjoy your lemon ginger brew. To your health, a votre santé, l'chaim, salut. Take care.